recording Lachlan.
His
first hearing aid.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the big moment here.
She's gonna hear something. We don't really know what.
And we're going to roll this on. I'm going to have to push on your head just a little bit.
There you go. It's beeping. So now technically your device is on. Can you tell? You said you hear it.
Hey, I sound. You're hearing yourself better. Okay, you can cry. It's okay.
Hi, Cooper. Hi, Cooper. Hi, Cooper.
Up, 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 up.
Hello, he's smiling. What do you think?
Hi, baby.
Sounds good.
I know I look like an elderly munchkin, but do I sound like one now?
Is it on?
It's on. My God, I can hear myself.
Yeah. That's good.
It's okay.
Blue,
Blue,
orange,
orange,
red,
red,
black,
black,
purple.
purple.
What do you think?
What is it like? It's okay.
So different, dude. Yeah.
Sound clear or does it sound muffled?